everybody, and welcome to another training and fitness update. The boys and I have just climbed the 1,000 steps in Mount Union, Pennsylvania. We're up here at the top, taking a walk along the top of the ridge. Training's been going reasonably well. I still have some issues with my shoulder, can't lift too much, but it seems to be getting better. Also a few issues with my hamstring, but we've been getting in pretty good miles, typically a tempo run every week, speed work every week, and then a long run, trying to mix in some cross training as well. Landry's been running with me most of the time, so that's all been going pretty good. In other news, I'm drinking again. I went 30 days without soda or sugary soft drinks, and I'm now about a week back into having a soda now and then. But that was actually a success. I lost 5 pounds in that 30 days, so starting this coming Monday, I think I'm gonna go without it for another 30 days, and I'll report back to you on how that went. So I still need to lose a little bit of weight. My fitness level is definitely not quite where it was last summer, but I still got another couple months to go before the 5Ks in the fall, so hopefully I can get a little more endurance and speed by then. Also, as I mentioned before, we have a half marathon scheduled in October, and we also have several of us hoping to do a do-it-yourself 50K in December. That's using the course that I call the Great Cove 50K Challenge. I've done a video on that. That's also on my channel. I'll link that in the description below. And the only other thing on my schedule then is the Heiner 50K, which is next spring. My brother Ty will be coming up to run that with me, and Landry will be doing the 25K that day as well. We're just reaching the east lookout here on this trail at the top of 1,000 steps, and if I put the camera out here, you might be able to see Mount Union in the distance. It's a little ways out there, so with this camera it might be pretty small. But there's lots of nice views up here. It's definitely worth coming up here and taking a look. Speaking of that, I have made a video on my other channel here on YouTube that gives some history and some information about the 1,000 steps, and I'll link that video in the description below, or maybe up here in the corner as well.